Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit down.
Thank you. This library is very quiet.
Yes, it's a good place to study.
Are you working or reading for fun?
A bit of both. I'm learning English.
That's great. How long have you been learning?
For about 1 year. It's not easy, but I like it.
I think reading helps a lot.
Yes, and listening too. What are you reading?
A travel book. I like learning about new places.
Do you travel often?
Not very often, but I want to travel more.
Me too. I hope to visit another country next year.
That sounds exciting. Which country?
Maybe Spain or Italy.
Nice choices. I've heard they are beautiful.
Do you come to this library often?
Yes, almost every week. It helps me relax.
I feel the same. It's calm here.
Well, I should start reading now.
Sure. Nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too.
Hello. What seems to be the problem today?
Hello. My dog is not eating well.
I see. How long has this been happening?
For about 3 days.
Is he active or very tired?
He is more tired than usual.
Has he eaten anything different recently?
Yes, he ate something outside during a walk.
That could be the reason. I will check him now.
Okay. Is it serious?
I don't think so, but we need to be careful.
I understand. He is very important to me.
I can see that. You take good care of him.
I try my best.
I will give you some medicine for him.
How often should I give it?
Twice a day with food.
All right. Thank you.
If he feels worse, please come back.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. He will feel better soon.
Excuse me, is this seat free or is someone using it later?
Yes, the seat is free and you can sit here comfortably.
Thank you, because this train looks quite full today.
Yes, many people are travelling today because it is the weekend.
Are you travelling for work or are you visiting someone special?
I am travelling to visit my family because I miss them very much.
That sounds really nice, and family time is always important.
Yes, it makes me very happy, even if the journey is long.
How long will your trip take from start to finish today?
It will take about 3 hours, but I brought a book with me.
That is a good idea, because reading makes time pass faster.
I agree, and I also enjoy watching the scenery outside.
I like that too, especially when the train passes small towns.
Those places look calm and peaceful compared to big cities.
I live in a big city, so I really enjoy quiet places.
I understand that feeling because silence helps people relax.
I am glad we started talking because it makes the trip nicer.
I feel the same way, and it is pleasant to meet friendly people.
I hope the rest of your journey is comfortable and enjoyable.
Thank you very much, and I wish you a pleasant trip too.